Our mass is 23.5, while the volume is 3.5 ml. 23.5 divided by 3.5, the answer I get is 6.71 grams per ml. So, number 17. If the density of the carbon tetrachloride is 0.793 grams per ml, and a sample has a volume of 9.29 ml, what is the mass? So, the mass yung hinahanap natin, and the formula here is mass is equal to density times volume. So, the operation here is times 0.793 times 9.29. The answer would be 7.37 grams. Okay, number 18. If the density of propanol is 0.828 grams per ml and a sample has a mass of 14.5 grams, what is the volume? So, our formula here is volume is equal to M, or mass, over density. So, the given is 14.56 divided by 0.828. The answer is 0.00 288 sorry. The answer is 17.51 ml. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Okay, number 19. How many kilometers are in 2.88 meters? 2.88 meters. So, sa 1 meter, mayroong sorry. We can 2.88 meters. So 1 km mayroong 1,000 meters. So 2.88 divided by 1,000 is 0.00288 kilometers. Number 20. How many Cl are in 4.56 times 10 raised to negative 3 liters? So, 4.56 times 10 raised to negative 3 liters convert into Cl. So, 0.01 L katumbas niyan sa Cl is 1 Cl. So, it's 0.456 Cl. Number 21. A water sample of mass 0.0204 kilograms is how many liters? If the density of H2O is equal to 1 grams per ml. So, first is 0.0204 times 1,000. We can convert it first into grams or ml. So, yan. Makukuha nating answer is 20.4 grams or 20.4 ml. We can use this 20.4 ml divided by 1000 is equal to 0.0204 liters. That's the final answer. Number 22. If gold's density is 19.32 grams per ml, how much would a 0.0333 liter sample weigh in grams? So, convert muna natin yung liters into ml. 0.0333. So, 1 liters mayroong 1,000 ml. The answer is 333 ml. Wait. We need the mass. So, next is, ang formula dito sa mass is equal to density times volume. So, yung given kanina na 19.32 grams per ml, i-multiply natin siya sa 333 L. So, 333 is equal to 6,437.56 grams. Number 23. A table salt has a density of 2.16 grams per ml. If you use 2 ml on your food, how much in milligrams is that? So, the formula here is mass is equal to density times times volume. Mass is equal to density times volume. So, 2L times 2.60 grams per ml is equal to 432 grams. I'm sorry, 4.32 grams. And then 4.32 grams times 1,000. Ko-convert natin siya into milligrams, kaya kinamit natin itong conversion. So, the answer is 4,320 mg. Number 24. The density of ethanol is 0.802 grams per ml. How much in grams does 9.85 times 10 raised to negative 2 liters mass? First, 9.85 times 10 raised to negative 2 L. Convert natin siya into ml. So 1 liters mayroong 1,000 ml. The answer here is 98.5 ml. But, nahanap natin dito is mass. So, use the formula M is equal to D times V. So, sa given kanina na binigay is 0.802 grams per ml times 98.5 ml is equal to 79.3 grams. That's the final answer. Number 25. How many Cg are in 0.497 grams? 0.497 grams into Cg. So 1 grams mayroong 100 cg. The answer is 49.7 cg. So number 26. How many cg are in 2.49 times 10 raised to 3 mg? So 1 mg mayroong 0.1 cg times and then divide. The answer is 249 cg. Number 27. How many ml are in 0.258 liters? So 1 liters mayroong 1,000 ml. The answer is 258 ml. Number 28. What is the density in grams per ml of a substance that masses 0.987 kilograms and volume of 4.52 times 10 raised to 2 ml? So the formula we use here is density is equal to mass divided by. So first, the given of mass, which is 0.987, convert natin siya into grams. So ang answer dito is 987 grams. Let's proceed here sa formula. 987 grams divided by yung given kanina, which is yung 4.52 times 10 raised to 2 ml is equal to 2.18 grams per ml. That's the final answer. For the last question, how much water in ml would 5.25 milligrams of copper displace if the density of copper is 11.53 grams per ml? Our formula here is volume is equal to mass over density. So, yung 5.25 milligrams, convert natin siya into grams. So, answer here is 0.00525 grams. So, let's proceed here, which is ito muna, mass. 0.00525 grams divided by yung given kanina na 11.53 grams per ml is equal to 0.000455 ml. That's the final answer. Thank you for listening and I hope na may natutunan kayo. Bye-bye!